All right, we're gonna do the Elysian Salute to the Sun. We're out here in the desert, so it's a pretty good fitting beer for it. It's a pale ale with black limes, 5.2% alcohol by volume. Oh,
Nice golden.
Fucking absolutely.
Slightly hazy kind of, huh?
Yeah. Little head, not too much, but.
Yeah. I hate to say it. You smell that?
Reminds you of yesterday.
It smells like every other goddamn tropical mango fucking hop beer. So sick of it. So sick of these hops.
Yeah, we need to just quit buying them. Look at other variations of beer. For this review, we could have used like any of the multiples of other beer reviews we've done.
Yeah, exactly. This could be 40 other beers.
Yeah.
And I don't taste any sort of lime whatsoever.
Weird.
Huh. I'm real disappointed. All this is like every other, Citra, Mosaic.
Yeah.
Just everyone doing everything the same.
I just don't get it. I know it's a big thing in the Northwest too. It's like, someone makes something, everyone's got to copy it, try to make their own spin on it. But there's no spin on them. They're the same fucking beer.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just a little bit lighter, that's all. Kind of has those stone fruit kind of qualities they were talking about. Oh, yeah, want some beer? No, you can have it, Fly.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
I mean, it would pair well with some foods, right? You could do your typical, grilled fruit.
Yeah.
Tropical skewers like we've talked about. And, it'd be good with pork and things like that.
Yeah. Well, any other view you guys have watched, or review you guys have watched, you can get the food pairings off of there, because we're sick of repeating ourselves.
It's like every other beer.
Yeah.
There's,
I like trying new beers because I think they're new beers.
Yeah.
But these are not new beers, so.
I have zero lime perceptibility at all.
Yeah.
It's not my thing. I'm tired of the mango-y tropical.
Yeah.
Fruity kind of hop character. I'm sick of it.
Yeah. Well, this is bottles down.
Yeah, disappointment.